Hi, today I am going to show you how to solve Tortoise Git icon overlay problem. So let's first download one repository like this. Okay. So this repository, open it, and the icon is not showing properly right now. So to show properly icon, just right click, select Tortoise Git, go to setting, press OK, select icon overlay handler, and start registry editor. Accept yes. So this window will pop up. So this is right now showing all the entry in cell icon overlay identifier, and in these edit all tortoise entry and make that will appear first by adding 4 space here in all entry. Now close this window and again open registry editor. So still some of the entries showing below Dropbox entry, so add one more space to it. So now all the tortoise icon entry is showing at startup, and then reboot your computer. So after rebooting you can see this folder icon change, and you can see blue tick mark. Open folder and you can see all folder and files show correct icon overlay, and if you change something in file it will also show according icon. So basically to solve this you need to go to tortoise setting and make sure that tortoise entry will show first in this tab. Thank you.